Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix SEO on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So fixing your SEO on Shopify can be something really difficult, especially if you are not sure or you're not aware on what are the sections in your website that you need to start checking. Well, in this case, there are going to be a few things and a few pages that you need to check here just to make sure that you have your SEO properly set up. So first thing that we need to do here is we first have to set up our SEO for our shop or our shop as a whole. So in this case, you need to go to the left panel here, go to your admin page, click on online store, and go to preferences under online store. Now from here, you should see the title and meta description. Now, the title meta description is a great way for you to make sure that you are visible to other people. So in this case, we actually recommend you to enter a reasonable homepage title here. So if you're unable to change that, make sure the meta description section here actually contains keywords. So you might be asking, what are keywords? So keywords are commonly used words by people who are using search engines like Google. So for example, if people are using, or plenty of people are actually using the word pencil, then most likely you might want to include the keyword pencil in your meta description here. So including keywords into your descriptions or in your titles can help you a lot. Now also, I'll make sure that whenever you upload any photo in your webpage, it is actually recommended that you upload named photo, like meaning the photo or the name of the photo itself that you're uploading has an actual name. So don't just include like numbers as a name for the photo. Make sure to make it descriptive. Now in this case, what are the other things that you should also start checking here? Now, one of the other things you need to check here is going to be the products page. So at the left panel here, click on products and choose the product that you want to edit. So for example, we have this t-shirt product here. And in this case, what you need to do is you first need to go to media. Click on the edit button here that you see on your image, and from here make sure that you also add alternate text. So whenever your image is not going to be available, alternate text is the one that people will be seeing. Now this also directly actually affect the a photo or the actual SEO for your web page. Now that's why it is recommended that you visit or edit the or basically add an alternate text into your images. Now also, whenever you scroll down here, you should have the search engine listing. Go ahead and click on the edit option here, and you should see the page title and meta description. Now again, like what I mentioned before in the online store section and under preferences, make sure to include keywords in your meta description or in the page title itself. Now in this case, once you follow the steps that we've given you, this would actually improve your SEO and your visibility on search engines. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.